Hello everyone, I am Dori, I am a teacher of English and today's video is being made in answer to a question I received here on YouTube. So, okay, I read the question. I need guidance on multiple choice answers in listening. Hope you may help. Okay, those of you who have just started out, you may want to check out this video first, where at 7:33 I start talking about multiple choice answers. But those of you who have already started practicing IELTS and multiple choice tasks, I'm sure that you have already found by yourselves that multiple choice tasks seem quite easy, but they can be rather confusing at times. So in this video, I'm going to give you some tips that will hopefully solve some problems related to these kind of tasks, and well, hopefully they will help you score more. But first of all, let's remember really quickly, first off, some key points in terms of the strategy we follow, okay? First of all, the questions on paper will be heard in the same order, but the options A, B or C may not be heard in this way. Number 2, read the instructions carefully in case you have to choose 2 correct answers instead of only 1. Number 3, underline keywords before the listening starts in order to help you organize your thought and stay alert during the listening. And last but not least, do not insist on questions you have missed. Just stay concentrated and move on. Okay, now let's move on to more specific problems and issues when it comes to these tasks. Problem number 1. Usually, almost always, all options are going to be heard. You're going to hear all options, A, B or C. And if you have more options from A to E, you're most probably going to hear all of them. So don't rush into answering something really quickly and then be done with it, because there is great probability that the speakers may change their mind almost instantly during the recording. So be careful. The first option you will hear is not necessarily the correct one. Just wait until you are absolutely sure about it, okay? Problem number 2. Well, the options that you are given on paper, usually they aren't too different from each other. They are not. They are actually pretty similar, and this makes things a little bit more difficult. So one thing you can do about this problem is to concentrate on the question you see, because sometimes an option may be presented, may be heard as the correct option, but not in terms of the specific question that you are asked to answer. Okay, do you know what I mean? So please be very careful to read the questions and what you are asked in order to choose the correct answer, the correct option. Because all options are going to be more or less similar, but there's going to be something that distinguishes one from the other, and this something is going to give you the correct answer. So also, while you try to choose the correct option from all the other similar options, be careful of paraphrasing too, because sometimes the paraphrasing, even one word, can change the meaning, and in listening and multiple choice exercises. So if you be careful of paraphrasing may, if you're familiar with it, may lead you to the correct option, even if the others are similar. And keywords can do that too. That's why I keep telling you to underline keywords that are going to help you, okay? I'm sorry, there's no easy way to deal with this problem. You just have to be very careful of a lot of things at the same time. Okay, it just needs a lot of practice. So, let's move on to problem number 3. Paraphrasing. All options are going to be heard, as we already said, and as if this wasn't enough already, all the options are probably going to be paraphrased. One more tip I can give you about this problem, apart from what I've already said, you should focus on the meaning of the options that you are given and not on specific words, okay? So do not wait to hear the exact same words that you see on paper. Instead, wait in order to hear the same meaning. And underlining is important, but underlining is actually there to help you stay alert during the listening section and help you know when the correct answer is going to be heard. So don't just wait in order to listen the words or the keywords or the phrases that you have underlined because you consider them important. Don't do that. Just wait to hear the meaning of the keywords that you have underlined, because there is great probability that you're not going to hear the exact same words and phrases that you see on paper. We have said that a lot of times, but it is important. Paraphrasing in general is important in IELTS. Well, these are more or less the issues that you're going to come across during multiple choice tasks in listening. I know they tend to be confusing sometimes, but this is more or less I can give you as tips and as advice. All in all, just try to keep in mind these things that we said today while you practice these kind of tasks. And but all in all, in listening in general, in every task, just try not to lose focus as much as you can. And as far as IELTS in general is concerned, all 4 sections, I can give you tips, I can give you advice. You can follow strategies that they're going to help you, no doubt about that. But what you can really do in order to help you even more is to learn the language as a whole a little bit better and focus on your own weaknesses and try to solve them and sort them out. This can really help you raise your band score. Well, okay, that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful in terms of how to deal with problems concerning multiple choice tasks. If you have any questions or comments, please do leave them down below in the comment section or in Facebook and Twitter and Google+. I have added all 3 links down below. If your question is a common problem, I will make a video out of it. Until then, good luck with the exam.